Hey folks, today I want to talk about two things that seem completely unrelated to weight loss, but I assure you they are completely related to weight loss. So let's go ahead and start with the first. And the first is they don't count. That's that bite that you take in between loading your plate up and putting it on the table. That doesn't really seem to count towards your food intake. That's easy just to put in your mouth, chew up, and swallow. They don't count? Wrong. They count. And one other item that's very important is your garbage disposal. Don't be one. Just because you're heavy, everybody thinks you want to eat their food that they don't eat leftover, or that because you feel like maybe you don't want to throw the food away in the trash can, you don't want to waste the food. It's just an excuse to eat more food. Trust me, I know, I've done it, I do it. It's not being economical in the sense it's not helping you. So, me, I'm in a great mood. Yeah, great mood. But this weekend, all 5 pounds lost, all 5 pounds back on. Plan on getting right back on it this week, but that's how it goes. Simple as that. A couple garbage disposals and doesn't count. You're back where you started again. Remember to have a good day. Leave your comments, questions, advice, tips, and I'll give you my weigh-in for tomorrow when I start off again. And thanks for watching. Take care. Garbage disposals. Not a good thing.